Hello everyone, welcome to switispeaks official YouTube channel. I am Switi Pinjani. This is resume building series where we are learning how you can create good quality resumes which have the capability of getting shortlisted. We have already covered some sample resumes for different scenarios in the previous lectures in the same series, Resume Building, uploaded on Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel by Sweetie Pinjani. If you have not already gone through, you can go through those also. It will give you an idea on what are the different resume formats which you can use, how you can organize your education skills, career objectives, projects, work experience, achievements, certifications. Today, we are going to cover a sample resume for a candidate who is currently pursuing bachelor's. That this person has not yet completed bachelor's. The person is pursuing bachelor's at the moment. They are skilled in RTL Design and Verification, currently looking for some entry-level job opportunities in semiconductor domain. Let's see each section. The first section at the top should be your name. It should be clearly visible and should be in bold, and the font size should be bigger than the rest of your resume. Next, very important thing which we have to cover is the contact information, which should contain 4 important details. First is your location. City is enough. Second, very important information is your contact number. If you have 2 contact numbers, you can provide both the contact numbers. Ensure these contact numbers are active and they are in network. Because if you are getting a call, you should be able to receive the call. If they are not in good network or they are not active, you may lose a call. Next important thing which we will put is our email ID. This is the email ID. Then we also have to put our LinkedIn profile. LinkedIn is a professional platform where we can have a lot of details about our profession. Even if you are pursuing bachelor's, still you can put a lot of information. In the resume, we just have one page. We can't put a lot of information. For example, here the candidate has put top 2 projects. It's possible they have done one more project, but since that was not so much relevant, they have not put it. However, in the LinkedIn profile, you can put that thing also. Like this, LinkedIn has a lot of scope to put more data. Certification, here the candidate has put only one, which is more relevant. It is possible the candidate has some more certifications, but due to limited space in resume, they have to prioritize. However, in LinkedIn, they can put everything. That's why it's important to update your LinkedIn profile. Mostly before giving you a call, the recruiters do go through your LinkedIn profile to understand more about your profession, even if you are a bachelor's, to understand more about your skills and projects you have done. They don't want to restrict to the resume. They want to know more about you before giving you a call. Mostly they will go and check your LinkedIn profile. That's why you need to ensure that your LinkedIn is properly updated. Now, the next thing which will come is your career objective. Here what you will do, you are pursuing bachelor's. 3 important things should come here. First is the degree which you are pursuing currently, domain in which you have skills in which you are interested in, and what kind of opportunities you are looking for. No need to use complicated English words. We will describe in very simple, easily understandable language. First important thing is you are a VLSI aspirant who is pursuing bachelor's. You have not completed, you are pursuing it. In which domain? In electronics. What type of skills you have? You have skills in RTL design and verification. What kind of opportunities you are looking for? Entry level job opportunities. In which domain? in semiconductor domain. All this information is covered within these 2 lines, and it is very simple and easy to understand. Since you are a fresher, the next section which will come is your education. We don't want it to waste a lot of space in education and still cover the 3 main educations. If you are a bachelor, you should mention about your bachelor's degree, HSC and SSC. If you see, for each degree, I am only consuming 1 line. And still it looks well organized, neat and clean. What are the 4 important things which should come in your education? First is the degree which you have pursued or you are pursuing, which you have completed or you are pursuing. Second is from where are you doing that? Third is your percentage or CGPA. And next will be your duration. These are the 4 important things. Here, if you see, within 1 line, I am putting everything. This is the degree, Bachelor of Engineering in Electronics domain from Pune University. CGPA is this. The duration is this. The person is still pursuing. That's why it is written present. The person has not completed. They are still pursuing it. They are about to complete in few months. And since they have few months left, they want to start their job search. They don't want to wait for degree to complete, because they have already acquired good enough skills. They have done decent projects. They want to ensure they have a job before completing the degree. And similarly, we have described the HSC and SSC. HSC, it was CBSC from Delhi Public School, Pune. The percentage and the time in which you have completed. This person has completed the degree in March 2021. Similarly, for SSC, SSC was also CBSC from Delhi Public School, Pune. The percentage was 91%, and this was the time in which the candidate has completed, March 2019. Next important section for a fresher after education should be skills. The skills should be well organized on the order of priority. The person is skilled in design and verification. First, all the skills related to the design and verification will come. Digital electronics is one relevant skill in design. Then comes analog electronics, computer architecture, and the candidate is also good with optimization techniques. In verification, the candidate knows Verilog, System Verilog. UVM candidate has just started learning. They have put UVM basics. Now, a lot of people are asking me, if we are bachelors, should we still know UVM? Yes, at least UVM basics. Why am I insisting that even at a bachelor you should know at least UVM basics is, the reason is, if you don't have on-campus placement, there are a lot of people who are searching off-campus. You need some add-on in your resume to get shortlisted, because every bachelor person nowadays will know Verilog, System Verilog. If you know UVM basics, at least you have started and you put it, it will give you some edge in your resume. I have already started a series of UVM basics in switispeaks official YouTube channel. It is very easy to understand. You can go through there, at least components, test bench architecture, what is UVM and all that is covered. At least learn that much, and you can answer that questions. At least you can say, I know about what is UVM, why it is used, what are different UVM components, what is test bench architecture. I have just started learning and I am going to enhance my knowledge more on UVM. It will at least give an idea that yes, you know little bit UVM, you have started learning and you are going to continue to learn. This is what is required. Next, the person knows about AMBA protocol. They have done a project on AMBA protocols. That's why they have put that in the skill set. Other languages they have mentioned, C, C++, all of us learn at college level. And this person has also learned Python for the scripting. The person had access to Model Sim and Questa Sim in their university, and they have done some execution, some code on Model Sim and Questa Sim. That's why they have mentioned it. Then we have a EDA Playground, which is a free practice platform which anyone can use. There is no restriction. It is for the freshers only, meant for practice. This person has done a lot of practice using EDA Playground, so they have mentioned that. The next thing which should come as a fresher will be your academic projects. This person has done 2 projects. Let us understand these projects. The first project was related to AMBA protocols. They have designed AHB to APB bridge. AHB to APB bridge means converter, a converter which can convert your AHB protocol to your APB protocol. That's what we call as a AHB to APB bridge. If you want to do this project, you should know about AHB protocol and APB protocol, both of these. Both of these are a part of AMBA protocol. If you are mentioning this project, you will be questioned on AHB and APB protocol. Ensure that you know what are the different signals in these protocols and the working of these protocols. The skills which the person has achieved, they have mentioned System Verilog and AMBA protocols and the tools which they have used to execute the project. The person is still working on this project, that's why they have written to present. See how the person has described. They have designed the bridge which will convert your AHB transaction to APB transaction. They have verified the design with different transactions, simple read and write transactions, and they have also done burst read and write. Currently, the person is working on functional coverage analysis. Till today, they have achieved 70% functional coverage. They are still working on that. You may be questioned why the coverage is only 70%. What is that which is missing, and what is your strategy to cover that? You should be able to answer. Maybe you will write some directed test cases, or maybe you will change something in randomization so that the bins which are not covered will be covered. Those can be different strategies to improve your functional coverage. This is about AHB to APB bridge. The next project which the person has done is design and verification of RAM memory. This is the duration for which the person has done project. Skills that the person has acquired are System Verilog and computer architecture. The tools, whatever they had access to in the college, they have used the same tools. Now see how the person has described. They have designed the RAM. How much RAM? 1 kilobyte RAM. Memory using System Verilog. They have verified the memory using constrained random test bench. They will ask you what type of constraint randomization have you used. Can you explain the code? You should be able to answer. Then the person has achieved code coverage to 95%. Here you will get questioned why only 95%. What were the things which were not covered and why? You should be able to answer. The person has done a certification on RTL Design and Verification. It was organized in their university and they are still doing this course. They have mentioned it. Whatever course you are doing, you can mention under the certification. What is the name of the course and from where you are doing the course, and what is the duration of the course, that you can mention in certification. The person has cleared GATE 2023 in electronics and communication with a very good rank. Rank was 525. It is still a decent rank. That's why the person has mentioned. This is how you can make a resume for the person pursuing bachelors. Let me give a quick summary. At the top will come your name. Then will come the contact details, 3 things: your current location, city, your contact number, email ID, and LinkedIn profile. In your objective, what is the degree you are pursuing, what are the skills which you have, what kind of jobs you are looking for, and in which domain. These information should come. In education, since you are pursuing bachelors, 3 degrees will come: your bachelor, HSC, and SSC. 4 things are important in each degree: the degree which you are pursuing and the domain, the university or college from which you are pursuing, the CGPA or percentage, and the duration. These are the 4 things for each degree. And you can fit 1 degree in one line and still it will look good. This is one way in which you can organize. Next is skills. I like to organize skills in different sections. Here, if you see, I have organized into 4 sections as per the importance. The person is skilled in RTL design and verification. That's why design and verification skills will come first. Then some other languages. These can be add-on skills. At least one scripting language you should know. You can select whichever scripting language you feel it is easy: Perl, Python, Tickle, Bash. It is your wish, but at least one scripting language is required at the fresher level. I will keep on insisting because there are limited opportunities. There are too many people applying and I want your resume to get shortlisted. That's why I will keep on stressing on some add-on skills. Then the tools, whatever tools you have access to college. If your college doesn't have any tools, fine, you can practice in EDA playground. No problem. At a fresher level, we don't even expect tools because we understand at the fresher level you can't have access to industry tools. That's fine. You should have these skill sets. Once you come to industry, you will gain the tool knowledge. Next important thing will be your academic project. The title should be clear. Duration, you can put your skills and tools, and very crisp description. It should give an idea of what things you have done and what you have achieved. It should be in simple, easily understandable language, both the projects. Then the certification, if you have done any relevant certification, the person says they are skilled in RTL design and verification, this certification is in RTL design and verification. It is relevant, that's why we have put. Then this person has got a good rank in GATE, which is an achievement. They have put it. This is how you can create a resume for a person who is pursuing bachelor's. It looks good. It has the capability of getting shortlisted. To stay tuned to such content in your career development, which can help in your career journey, you can subscribe to Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. I'll see you in the upcoming videos. Thank you.